It's Jewl with the Daily Drop Society. We are going to go over how you can make your own hand cleanser at home. You might be thinking, why would I want to make my own hand cleanser on the go? I think there's 3 reasons why you would want to. Number 1, you can refill this again and again and again. So you only have to buy the products once and you can get multiple bottles out of it. The second, you know the ingredients going into it. So if you're concerned about what things are lurking in your products, doing a DIY project makes it really easy because you know exactly what's in it. Now the third reason why I would make my own hand cleanser is because this one here isn't going to dry out your skin and your hands like some of the commercially purchased ones are. Now to make this hand cleanser, you're gonna need a few items at home. The first one is you're gonna need a pure aloe vera gel that you're gonna be using in it. Second thing you're gonna need is a vitamin E oil. Third, for the cleansing part, you're gonna need On Guard essential oil. Lastly, you're gonna want a small travel squeeze container, and I'll have a link down below where you can find some. Lastly, you're gonna need a small bowl and a tablespoon measuring, so you'll be able to get the exact amount in there right. Also, what would be a DIY without a darling label that matches everything? I thrive off stuff like that. I really love them. This label actually is for free for anyone who is in our member area, and to be a member, it's free. So click down below, you can learn more about it and get access to all of these DIY printables that you see here in the videos. So to create this, what we're gonna need to start with is 5 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel. Then you're gonna need 4 tablespoons of water. Now we're gonna add in 1/4 of a teaspoon of vitamin E oil and 8 to 10 drops of On Guard essential oil. Then just mix it all together. And this is what the consistency looks like. So it's a little bit runnier, it's not too thick. If you want it thinner, you can add some more water to it, but I actually like it just the way it is. So I'm gonna leave it at that. And then I'm just gonna add this mixture into this bottle little by little. And there you have it, your own little DIY hand cleanser on the go. And that's it. You're all set. You can refill this bottle anytime you need to when you're running low for a natural, clean hand cleanser. Like always, if you like, comment, or subscribe, that helps our little channels so much, and you'll get notified when we have more DIY projects because there will be more coming every single month. Thanks for being here.